Hi, I'm Karen McTavish, an APQS quilting instructor. We're going to talk about ruler work today. We're going to do piano keys. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a 1/2 inch frame around these 3 blocks. So I'm going to bring up my thread and I'm going to guesstimate where a 1/2 inch is away from that ditch. And if you put your ruler right next to the foot and along the seam, your foot is a 1/4 inch and this line is a 1/4 inch, so you'll get that 1/2 inch. So we're gonna just go ahead and start, and I'm gonna be in stitch regulated mode at the factory setting default, which is 12 stitches per inch. And that beep you're gonna hear is just the machine letting me know that I'm ready to stitch. Just sliding the ruler. I'm gauging that seam as my 1/2 inch. So this gives it a nice little frame. And I love to do this around the inner border or the outside border of every quilt. And then you stop right on that miter and then turn your ruler. Now I'm gonna push that ruler evenly, that even pressure against the foot. And that extended base helps me from hitting it. And we're gonna stop in the miter. I'm going to get right in there, and we're going to head back to the left now. Okay, so my goal here is to secure that stitch. So if you notice, when I started, I didn't really prepare my stitch, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to backtrack on that stop and start. So here we go. I'm going to try to hit it. It's kind of awkward to do it this way. You could also do it this way and just guess. So now I'm going to secure that stitch by going back and forth over it. And that stitch will never come out. And now we're going to sneak over on the edge and get back into our ruler work. So we're going to backtrack, line up that line, that quilting line, and we're just going to go for it here. 1/2 inch. We're going to do our best to put our lines at the very end. Just do your best to kind of split the difference. And remember, in modern quilting, there is no such thing as perfect.